In this video, I will show you how to cut the bias strips and with the help of a rotary cutter. And you can use a cutting mat. It is easily available in the market. And whenever you use a rotary cutter, you have to do this cutting on the cutting mat. Now, since this is very sharp, it is always covered with the help of a lid. And we can remove this lid by pushing this button down. The blades are very sharp, so be very careful while operating it. Now, with the help of a scale, you mark 1.5 inch. Draw a straight line. Now, very carefully, with the help of a scale, you cut the strips. The main advantage of rotary cutter is that it cuts the slip very neatly. So now we are making more strips and following the same measurement. See how stretchy it is when we cut it diagonally.